Hey y'all, I wanted to take you along as I unbox this new GE 2.0 Opal ice maker. I wanted to show you this, that once you cut the straps, all you have to do is lift it up. I purchased this from Best Buy and they had it ready and I just picked it up in store. So that was the easiest, fastest way for me to get this because I had been thinking about it, and Amazon does not carry the 2.0 version. And the 2.0 version has Wi-Fi, and that's the reason why I chose this one. Also the cleaning features. So when you open it up, you're going to have some components inside. I had the scoop and then the little clip for the side tank. I was showing you this clip so that you could see that it tilts, and you have to tilt it up in order for it to come out. So when you purchase this, they recommend doing a cleaning first before you start making your ice. And the instructions said to do 5 cups of water to 1 teaspoon of Clorox. And I only had a 4 cup, so I had to add 1 extra cup. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this water into the water reservoir that's underneath the ice bin. You'll take the ice bin out and pour your water in there. Then you're going to hold down the cleaning button for about 3 seconds and you'll see it light up, and then you'll hear it starting to pull the water, and the water will start to drain down. So once you're finished, or once the cycle is finished, you're going to, and this is the pain in the butt part about it, you're going to take, oh thanks, my daughter is, showing you the pup. She was helping me do my video here. So you'll see the water running down, and once the cycle's over, you're going to take this little clip from the back and you're going to empty all the water out. So you're going to drain all the water out, and then you're going to run fresh water 3 times after doing this. So once you do the Clorox water, you're going to add fresh water to that water reservoir 3 more times, and then you'll fill it up for your ice. This here is the side tank. I purchased mine with the side tank and it's about $70 more, but seeing as how much water it uses, I think that this is a good option for whoever buys this. So then after about 7 minutes, this is the ice that's going to start to fall. It's like a slushy ice. But then after about 15 minutes, then actual nuggets start to fall. So then about 30 minutes, you're going to actually have ice that you can put in your cup. And then I would say it took about 2 hours for it to completely fill. It took us a little bit longer. It took us about 3 hours because once we had enough to fill our cup, we were going for it. We were eating the ice. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helped make your decision whether you were going to get a Nugget ice maker. I have been wanting one of these for a very long time, and I never splurge on myself. And this is something that the whole family can use. So it is an investment, but it's an investment that I know we'll get use out of. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.